this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number when you're making outgoing calls on your Android phone. So I have a Samsung phone, and for me to do this, I need to go down to the call settings right here, go to the keypad, then go to the top right, go to the three little dots, and go to settings. Now under here, go down to where it says supplementary services. On your version of Android, it might be a little bit different than this, and I believe not all carriers will allow you to do this. But just look for the option for maybe caller ID or something in your settings. Then go to this, and I have the option for hide number right here. And this will block my number or hide it when I'm making outgoing calls. So very easy to do. So you can see that. Now if you don't have this option right here, you could try just the normal options and go into settings. And then go to where it says like caller ID or something like that. Now you could also go back to the phone options right here. And just type in *67 before you make that call. *67. And then type that in. Just like that. And then do the area code, the 7-digit phone number, and that should hide your call as well. This isn't going to do it probably for like government services or anything like that. So it's just going to be like phone to phone pretty much. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.